So hello friends, my name is Vikas and I am a teacher in Binayak tutorial. Previous class रे आमे cover up करथिले exercise 2A जोटा कि concise mathematics class 8 रो exponent chapter रो first exercise थिला. तो 2A परे आज आमे 2B cover करिबा. So 2B cover करिबा पूर्वरु मु तमु किछि आइडियाज दोउछि कि जोटा कि exercise 2B रे दरकार पड़िबो. Okay? So today chapter is also exponents concise math class 8. Okay? So आ गोटे रूल कहूची a into b to the power जदि n अछि ताले से कोन हे जिवो a to the power n multiplied b to the power n हे जिवो हला माने a into b whole to the power n जदि अछि ताले से जो एक्सपोनेंट अछि से एक्सपोनेंट्स ता b जनक पाखरे पुनी आसी जिवो a पाखरे भी आसीबो विथ b पाखरे भी आसीबो. सो जदि a फॉर्म रे लिखा हिची a to the power n multiplication b to the power n लिखा हिची ताहले आमे ताकू एमती भी रिप्रेजेंट कर परिबा वाइस वर्सा रिप्रेजेंट ताकू कर परिबा. नंबर 2 रूल इज इफ a by b to the power n अछि ताहले भी आमे a to the power n by b to the power n लिखि परिबा. केमिति ना एठी भी a by b मतलब a and b एठी डिवाइड हेइचंदी हला तार पावर n अछि. सो एठी एक्सपोनेंट जेहेतु n अछि जदि हमें ब्रैकेट उठे देबा ओके इफ वी एक्सट्रैक्ट द ब्रैकेट इट विल बी a to the power n by b to the power n हो. नंबर 3 रूल हला एटा हमें जानि थिले a to the power minus m अछि ताले 1 by जदि तमे हमें रेसिप्रोकल तार करिबा ताले a to the power m हे जिवो जोठी कि एठी जदि नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट थिला रेसिप्रोकल बेले तार एक्सपोनेंट ता पॉजिटिव हे जिवो हला. फोर्थ रूल अछि कोन ना जदि रूट अछि रूट ओवर जदि अछि एंड a रो रूट ओवर एठी लिखाई छि धर 2 लिखाई छि ताले हमें ताको कोन करिबा दैट इज a to the power 1 by n बोली भी लिखि पारि और 1 by 2 बोली भी हमें ताको लिखि पारिबा हला a to the power 1 by 2 बोली हमें ताको लिखि पारिबा हला. तो सेही भलिया जदि a अछि माने a गोटे बेस नंबर अछि जार रूट ओवर 2 अछि ताले हमें ताको कोन करिबा a to the power 1 by 2 अछि जदि सेही जगह रे a रो रूट ओवर 5 थिबो ताले हमें कोन लिखिबा को कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो कोन लिखिबा a to the power 1 by 5 लिख परिबा हैना a to the power 1 by 5 लिख परिबा. सेमिति आउ गोटे दिनस कहूची जदि सेही जगह रे रूल नंबर 5 जदि सेही जगह रे रूट ओवर a रो एठी अछि केते धर एठी दिया हिची स्क्वायर आ एठी दिया हिची रूट ओवर 5 ताले सेटा केते हे जिवो ना a to the power 2 by 5 हे जिवो a to the power 2 by 5 काहे कि ना तार एठी जे स्क्वायर थिला सेटा एठी न्यूमरेटर हे गेला एंड जोटा रूट रे थिला सेटा डिनोमिनेटर हे गेला एक्सपोनेंट रे. ओके वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट लाइक दैट. सो एठी a स्क्वायर रो रूट 5 थिला सेति पे एठी मु कोन लिख देली a रूट जोटा स्क्वायर थिला सेटा न्यूमरेटर हे गेला एंड जोटा रूट थिला सेटा डिनोमिनेटर हे गेला. तो एई केतेटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन हमकु मन रखिया पड़िबो 2b करिबा पई. बाकी तमे तो जानिचो एनी नंबर टू दी पावर 0 इज इक्वल टू 1 एटा तमे आगरु भी जानिचो. तो these rules are required to do the exercise 2b. So exercise 2b question was one is multiple choice question. Okay, the first question is given x is equal to 3 to the power m, y is equal to 3 to the power m plus 2. Okay, find x by y. So x by y is equal to 3 to the power m by 3 to the power m plus 2. Okay, so it in the next step it will be 3 to the power m minus m plus 2. Okay, then 3 to the power m minus m minus 2 because plus minus minus. Okay, so m minus m plus minus minus 2. So plus m and minus m it will be cut down and the power will be 3 to the power minus 2 and that will be 1 by 3 square is equal to 1 by 3 3 is 9. So 1 by 9. So Option B is your correct answer. Okay, option B is your correct answer. B2, the question is given x to the power minus 2 by 3y to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. Okay, let's find out. Is equal to, जदि एमती क्वेश्चन अच्छी एंड होल टू द पावर माइनस वन अच्छी एंड माइनस वन है गोटे कौन नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट ताकू जदि आमे पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट करिबा ताले तांकर प्लेस चेंज हे जिवो ताले केते हे जिवो 3y टू द पावर माइनस 1 बाय x टू द पावर माइनस 2 एई बळे हे जिवो तमरो हैला x टू द पावर माइनस 2 हे जिवो. ओके, सो वर्तमान आमे ताकू कोन करिबा इज इक्वल नेक्स्ट स्टेप रे 3y to the power minus 1 means 3 multiplied 3y माने 3 multiplied y हेची. सो y to the power जदि minus 1 अछि ताले आमे ताकू कोन कर परिबा 1 by y लिख परिबा एंड एटी x to the power minus 2 अछि. सो याकू आमे 1 by x square भी लिख परिबा 1 by x square. ओके, in the next step it will be 3 by y by 1 by x square. So in the next step it will be 3 by y multiplied x square upru padebo and denominator 1 rahi jibo, so only x square hi likhiba. So it will be 3x square by y. Okay, तो एमिति ही क्वेश्चन आसीबो and it will be solved. So 3x square by y, so option A is your correct answer. Okay, option A is your correct answer. Let's do now beat 3. So let's do beat 3. थरे कर सालिनी किंतु रेकॉर्ड हेइनी, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आउ थरे रेकॉर्ड करिया पडुची. So if question is given, if 4 by 5 to the power minus 3 multiplied 4 by 5 to the power minus 5 is equal to 4 by 5 to the power 3x minus 2. Okay, this is the question. Then what is the value of x? Value of x हमको पचारिछि. ओके, सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड देइछि, तो बहुत सहज अछि, किछि भाबिबार नै. एठी भी बेस सेम अछि, एठी भी बेस सेम अछि, तो आंक भितर मल्टीप्लाइड हेछि. सो हमें कोन करबा एक्सपोनेंट्स को मिसे दा, वी विल ऐड द एक्सपोनेंट्स. ओके, देन द बेस विल बी सेम ऑन LHS and RHS, then we will compare the exponents. Okay, let's do it. Implies that 4 by 5 minus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to 4 by 5 to the power 3x minus 2. So in the next step it will be 4 by 5 to the power minus 3 plus minus minus 5. So minus 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 8 is equal to 4 by 5 to the power 3x minus 2. Let's compare the exponents because the base are same on LHS and RHS. So now 3x minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Okay, minus 8 is equal to 3x minus 2. सेटा हम 3x minus 2 को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नहीं आसी, तो 3x minus 2 is equal to minus 8 is equal to 3x is equal to minus 8 plus 2, because minus 2 एपट थिला राइट हैंड को साइ गले सेटा प्लस होई गला. So minus 8 plus 2 is equal to what? Minus 6. So 3x is equal to minus 6. x will be 3 एपटे मल्टीप्लाइड हेतिला एपटे गले डिवाइड हबो. So minus 6 by 3, that is 3 2 ja 6 is equal to minus 2. So which option? Option C is your correct answer. Hela number 1 beat 3, option C, that is minus 2 is your correct answer. Beat IV. Okay, beat 4. So beat 4, the question is m by n to the power x minus 1 is equal to n by m to the power x minus 5. Okay, so empty the question. So value of x, what is the value of x? So we know that जदि आमे न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर रो प्लेस को जदि चेंज कर दबा ताले एक्सपोनेंट रो प्लेस भी एठी चेंज हे जिवो एंड माइनस हे जिवो. ओके, एक्सपोनेंट रे नेगेटिव गोटा ऐड हे जिवो. ओके, तो सो लेट्स डू इट. m by n to the power x minus 1 is equal to 1 by n by m to the power minus x minus 5. Okay, minus x minus 5. And then in the next step it will be m by n to the power 5 plus, sorry, plus 5 minus x. Okay, 5 minus x. Kahinki? Now minus x minus minus plus 5. So 5 को first को नहीं आइली and minus x को एपड़ नहीं गली. So m by n to the power 5 minus x है गला. So let's compare here m by n to the power x minus 1. एठी भी अच्छी m by n to the power 5 minus x. So let's compare the exponents because the base are same. Now x minus 1 is equal to 5 minus x. Okay, so x एठी माइनस थिला सो एपडू आसले प्लस हे जिवो x plus x is equal to 5 plus 1. So 2x is equal to 6, that is x is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. So answer is 3. So which is the correct answer? Option A is your correct answer. Okay, let's do beat 5. Beat 5 है 1 by 7 to the power minus 3 multiplied 7 to the power minus 1 multiplied 1 by 49 is equal to what? हला तो आरो वैल्यू बाहर करिया को देछि, इवैल्यूएट करिया को हमको देछि. So let's do it. अच्छा, एक्सपोनेंट नेगेटिव अछि जदी पॉजिटिव करिया कोन करिबा ना 7 हे जिवो, 7 to 7 क्यूब हे जिवो multiplied 7 to the power minus 1 हे जिवो and आकु भी हमें 7 कहीं ना हमको बेस सेम करिवार अछि. बेस सेम कला पर जे हम आंसर फाइंड कर परिबा. So it will be 1 by 7 square 49. We can write 49 as 7 square. So एटा जले ऊपर पळेइबो 7 to the power minus 2 हे जिवो. Let's do it. 7, sorry, it is semicolon, sorry, implies दबानी एटी is equal to दबा कहीं ना हमें इवैल्यूएट करछे. So 7 cube multiplied 7 to the power minus 1 multiplied 7 to the power minus 2. Now 7 to the power 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 is equal to 7 to the power 3 minus 1 minus 2. That will be 7 to the power 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. That is 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So option D, that is 1, is your correct answer. Okay, let's do number 2. Number 2 beat 1. The question is compute, means evaluate हमको करिया को देइछे, that is 1 to the power 8 multiplied 3 to the power 0 multiplied 5 to the power cube 5 to the power 3 multiplied 2 square. Okay, 2 square or 2 to the power 2. That is 1 to the power 8 means 1 को 8 times multiply कले सही 1 ही हबो. Then 3 to the power 0, any number to the power 0 is equal to 1 multiplied 5 to the power q, that is 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125 multiplied 2 2 is 4. Okay, so 125 multiplied 4, 100 multiplied 4, that is 400, and 25 multiplied 4, that is 100. So केते गला 500. Answer is 500. Beat 2. Beat 2 is 4 to the power 7 whole square multiplied 4 to the power minus 3 to the power 4. Okay, एटा अछि beat 2 रो question. So let's do it. That is 4 to the power 7 to जा 14 काई ना हमरो जदी बाहर भी एमती थिबो कोन से एक्सपोनेंट थिबो एंड भीतर भी एक्सपोनेंट तो that will be multiplied. So 7 to जा 14, 4 to the power 14 multiplied 4 to the power 4 3 is 12, that is minus 12. Or next step will be 4 to the power plus minus 12, that is minus 12. Okay, 14 minus 12 it is equal to, that is 4 4 is 16. 16 will be the answer. Okay, let's do beat 3. 2 number beat 3 is equal to 2 to the power minus 9 divided by 2 to the power minus 11 whole to the power cube. Okay, we have to evaluate it. So it will be 2 to the power minus 9 divided 2 to the power minus 11. So 2 to the power minus 9 minus minus 11, because it is to divide heichi, exponents will subtract. Okay, so to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power minus 9 minus minus plus 11 to the power cube. It will be 2 to the power plus minus minus 11 to 9 2 and 2. So 2 square to the power cube. Okay. So 2 to the power 3 to the 6. That is 64. 64 is your answer. Okay. Let's do beat IV. Okay. What is the question IV? That is 2 by 3 to the power minus 4 multiplied 27 by 8 to the power minus 2. Okay, to the power minus 2. Let's evaluate. It will be 2 by 3 to the power minus 4 multiplied 3. अच्छा 27 is 3 ର cube ହେଲା 3 3 जा 9 3 जा 27 so 3 ର cube and 8 is 2 ର cube ହେଲା 2 to the power 3 हेले 8 हबो 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 so 3 by 2 to the power 3 आमे लिखि दे परिबा and to the power minus 2 okay multiplied okay so it will be 2 by 3 to the power minus 4 multiplied 3 by 2 to the power 3 to the 6 that is minus 6 okay in the next step it will be 2 by 3 to the power minus 4 multiplied 2 by 3 to the power 6 एटी नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट थिला एंड पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट कली सेति पई ताकर न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर चेंज हे गेला सो 2 by 3 to the power minus 4 plus 6 and it will be 2 by 3 to the power plus 2 okay or 2 by 3 to the power 2 2 square is equal to 4 and 3 square is equal to 9 so 4 by 9 is your correct answer 4 by 9 let's do beat V 2 number beat 5 that is 56 by 28 to the power 0 divided by 2 by 5 to the power cube multiplied 16 by 25. That is your question. We have to evaluate 56 by 28 to the power 0 is equal to 1 divided by 2 by 5 to the power cube. So it will be 2 by 5 to the power cube. 2 to the 4 to the 8 by 5 5 to 25. 25 5 to 125. So 125 multiplied 16 by 25. Okay. So 1 divided 8 by 125. So it will be 1 multiplied 125. 125 by 8. Okay. Then multiplied 16 by 25. Okay. So it will be 8 2 ja 16 and 25 5 ja 125. So here is 1, here is 5 and here is 2. Okay. Here is 2. So it will be 5 2 ja 10 and 10 1 ja 10. Okay. So 10 is your answer. VI 12 to the power minus 2. 12 to the power minus 2 multiplied 3 to the power 3. Okay. So empty the question is equal to 1 by 12 ro square okay multiplied 3 ro cube okay so kete he jibo 1 by 144 multiplied 3 ro cube hela 27 that is 27 by 144 so if we cut down with 3 it will be 3 9 ja and 3 4 ja 12 and 2 4 so 8 3 8 ja okay 3 8 ja 3 3 ja 9 and 3 3 1 ja 3 and 1 8 ja 3 6 ja 18 okay so 3 by 16 3 by 16 is your answer okay now do the bit 7 V2I okay so V2I the question is minus 5 to the power 4 multiplied minus 5 to the power 6 divided by minus 5 to the power 9 okay minus 5 to the power 9 so all the base are same so let's do it minus 1 by 3 to the power 4 minus 8 plus 5 okay that is minus 1 by 3 to the power 4 minus so 4 minus 8 plus 5, that is 13. 8 plus 5, that is 13. Now minus 1 by 3 to the power 13. So plus 4 and minus 13. Plus minus minus 13 to 4 gale 9. So it will be minus 9. Okay. So minus 9. Minus 9, it will be 3 to the power 9. Okay, so minus 3 to the power minus 3 to the power 9. Okay, because minus 9, the exponent was negative. If we convert the exponent into positive, that will be 3. So 3 to the power 9, it will be कितने होगा रे 2b 3 to the power 9. कितना नंबर क्वेश्चन v3i minus 1 by 3. Problem here. 4 minus 8 multiplied minus 1 by 3 to the power 5. Okay, so minus 1 by 3 to the power 4 minus 8, it will be minus 4. Okay, minus 4 multiplied minus 1 by 3 to the power 5. So in the next step it will be minus 1 by 3 minus 4 plus 5. It will be minus 1 by 3 to the power plus minus minus, that is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay, so that is minus 1 by 3, or we can write it, yes, that is minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 is your answer. Okay. अच्छा पिला माने गोटे प्रोब्लेम अछि. प्रोब्लेम कोन अछि ना तमे एटी देखुछ अरे यार plus 5 sorry no 9 minus 8 is equal to shut. So the answer will be minus 1 by 3 to the power 4 minus 8 and plus 5. एटी मु कोन कहली ना एटी डिवाइड अछि एंड एटी मल्टीप्लाइड अछि. सो डिवाइड माने एक्सपोनेंट माने सब्सट्रैक्ट हेबे एंड एटी मल्टीप्लाई माने एक्सपोनेंट माने प्लस हेबे. सो मु डायरेक्ट लिख देली minus 1 by 3 to the power 4 minus 8 plus 5, and that will be minus 1 by 3 to the power acha 4 minus and plus 5. So we have to do the plus first. Okay, positive number. So if we take the Bodmas rule, the plus will be come first. So plus 5 and plus 4, it will be 9 minus 8, and it will be minus 1 by 3 to the power 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. That will be minus 1 by 3. Okay, number 2, let's do number 2 xi. Okay, so each and every math mu karuni jota tomar doubt hoji comment section mate pachari paribo. So let's do number 2 xi. The question is 27 by 64 to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay, 27 by 64 to the power minus 2 by 3. Evaluate. We have to evaluate the answer. Okay, 3 by 4 to the power क्यूब बोले आमे लिखि परिबा काइना 3 3 जा 9 3 जा 27 and 4 4 जा 16 and 16 4 जा 64. So 3 by 4 to the power 3 again to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay, so exponent एठी देखो exponent 3 and एठी minus 2 by 3. So ये multiplied हेई गले 3 3 कट डाउन हेई जिवो कि नै को हैला. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप रे जदी हम एमति लिखिबा से स्टेप ता मु एमिट करनी देखै दोस्त तुमको 3 multiplied minus 2 by 3. So 3 and 3 will cut and 3 by 4 to the power minus 2 and negative exponent जेहेतु अच्छी आमे ताकू numerator denominator को change कर दबा, that is 4 by 3 to the power 2 and it will be 4 4 ja 16 and 3 3 ja 9, that is 16 by 9, or if we convert into mixed fraction it will be 9 1 ja 9 and left will be 7. So 1 whole 7 by 9 is your answer. Okay, 1 whole 7 by 9 is your answer. So let's do XIV. Okay, number XIV. The question is 243 to the power 2 by 5 divided by 32 to the power minus 2 by 5. है सो ये जो नंबर गुड़ाक अच्छी आपको जदि आम एक्सपोनेंट रे रिप्रेजेंट करिबा देन तार जो पावर अच्छी से एक्सपोनेंट एंड दिस एक्सपोनेंट एटा कट हे जिवो हला तो सेही भले आम एक्सपोनेंट करिबा सो 243 ता काहार भाबिबो काहार एटा फिफ्थ पावर ऑफ फिफ्थ कार हेले एटा 243 हबो सो आमे जानिचे 3 to the power 5 is equal to 243. Okay, करके देखि नबो सो 3 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 by 5 divided by 32. So 2 to the power is equal to 32. 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 5 to the power minus 2 by 5. So in the next step it will be 3 to the power 5 multiplied 2 by 5 divided by 2 to the power 5 multiplied minus 2 by 5. So 5 5 and 5 5 will be cut down. It will be 3 square divided by 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 3 3 is 9 divided by 2 2 is 1 by 2 square, that will be 9 divided by 1 by 4. So it will be 9 multiplied 4. 9 multiplied 4 it equal to 9 4 ja 36. 36 is your answer. Okay, number 3 we have to simplify all the questions, we have to simplify. So number 3 beat 1, the question is 8 to the power 4 by 3 plus 25 to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 27 to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay, we have to evaluate. Let's do it. So एठी आमे कोठी भी सिमिलरिटी आमे पाउने हला एठी काहार भी सिमिलरिटी नाही. यस आमे जदी पावर रे आकु रिप्रेजेंट करिबा मे बी एमानकर डिनोमिनेटर्स कटि जिवो हला जदी आमे आकु पावर रे रिप्रेजेंट करिबा. So let's do it. 8 is 2 to the power cube, so 2 to the power 3 to the power 4 by 3, so 3 3 कटि जिवो नेक्स्ट स्टेप रे. So एमती आमे रिप्रेजेंट कर परिबा प्लस 25, so 5 square to the power 3 by 2 again minus, so 1 by 27, that is 27 to the power 2 by 3 हे जिवो काई ना एटा नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट अछि पॉजिटिव हेले न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर चेंज हे जिवो एंड एटा हे जिवो केते 27 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, so in the next step it will be 3 3 will be cut down, 2 to the power 4 plus 5 to the power 3 and in the next step 3 रो क्यूब हैला 27, so एटा केते हे जिवो 3 3 कटि जिवो. ओके, एटा हमें जदी रिप्रेजेंट करिबा 3 रो क्यूब टू द पावर 2 by 3, so 3 3 कटि गेले 3 रो स्क्वायर हे जिवो, so minus 3 square is equal to 16 plus 125 minus 3 3 ja 9. So now 16 plus 125 it will be केता हो को 125 plus 16, 6 and 5 11, 1 and 1 is 4, that is 141 minus 9. 141 minus 9 it will be, so 132 is your answer. Okay, 132 is your answer. So B2 question is 64 to the power minus 2 whole to the power again minus 3 divided by square bracket then curly bracket then minus 8 in parenthesis minus 8 to the power 2 and to the power 3 again to the power 2. Okay, so this is the question. So let's solve it. Is equal to let's represent by the exponent of 2. Okay, so 2 6 ja sorry 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64 because 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32, so 2 to the power 6, so 2 to the power 6 to the power minus 2 and again to the power minus 3. Okay, divided by minus 8, so 2 to the power cube to the power minus 2 to the power cube to the power 2 again to the power 3 and again to the power 2. So let's solve it. 2 to the power 6 2 is 12 and 12 3 is 36 divided by 2 to the power 3 2 is 6 6 3 is 18 and 18 2 is again 36. Okay, 36 सॉरी सेटा हला माइनस टू टू दी पावर 36. सो आम जाचु इभेन नंबर ऑफ पावर जदि थी तो आंसर सब पॉजिटिव ही बाहर. सो 2 टू दी पावर 36 डिवाइडेड माइनस 2 टू दी पावर 36 दीटा कहीं सेम बाहर. सो दी जनकर डिविजन आंसर 1 हो. ओके, सो 1 इज योर आंसर. एंड नंबर बीट 3. सो लेट्स डू बीट 3. 2 टू दी पावर minus 3 minus 2 to the power minus 4. Okay, again whole into 2 to the power minus 3 plus 2 to the power minus 4. So एमती क्वेश्चन तुमको देइछि. सो सबुटी देख एक्सपोनेंट नेगेटिव अछि. सो आमे ताको जदी पॉजिटिव कर दवा से कोन हबो 1 by 2 cube minus 1 by 2 to the power 4. Okay, and again 1 by 2 to the power cube plus 1 by 2 to the power 4. Okay, so here algebraic formula gote achi a plus b whole into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So let's do it. 1 by 2 to the power cube the square minus 1 by 2 to the power 4 the square. Okay, एई हेइ जिबा आंसर. सो कौन करिबा ना 1 by 2 to the power q, that is 8 square minus 1 by 2 to the power 4, that is 1 by 16 the square, that is 1 by 8 square केते 64 minus 1 by 16 square हला 6 6 जा 36 3 6 1 जा 6 3 9 256. Okay, so 256 64 and 256. तो आ भितर LCM 256 हे जिवो कोन पाइ ना 256 is a multiple of 64. Okay, because 64 4 ja 256, that's why 256 is your LCM and 64 4 ja 256 and 4 1 ja 4 minus 256 1 ja 256 and 1 1 1. So 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 256. So it is your answer 3 by 256. So friends, so आज exercise 2b रो आमे 1 to 3 complete कले. So next class रे एटा तो बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर अछि, बहुत बड़ा एक्सरसाइज. Then next part रे we will cover 4 to something number 8 or 9 10 रे करिबा. तापरे नेक्स्ट आउरी बहुत सारा नंबर्स अछि, देखिबा हमें कवर अप करिया. सो आजिकार वीडियो एठी एंड होउची. सो वीडियो केमती लागिची कमेंट में निश्चित बतेबे. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग एंड जय जगन्नाथ.